you've got IRS debt, I've got great news for you. The IRS has dramatically changed the rules of the game. For years, when you try to settle a debt with the IRS, you have to go through something called the Offer and Compromise Program. I've got videos explaining it. The rules have basically stayed the same for years, but they've just changed something really important. This isn't marketing, this is real. I'm going to explain it to you right now. Under the old rules, the IRS looked at your monthly disposable income, what you have left after you pay all your bills. Whatever that number was, you had to multiply it by 48 in order to qualify for the Offer and Compromise. In other words, if you had $100 left over each month, your settlement had to be at least $4,800. If you had $1,000 left over, that got multiplied by 48, and your settlement had to be at least $48,000. Well, here's the change. Effective in June of 2012 and going forward, the multiplier gets lowered to 12. So if you have $1,000 left over each month, instead of having to settle for $48,000, you can now settle potentially for $12,000. So think about that. If you qualified for a settlement of $100,000 under the old rules, under this new rule, your settlement will only have to be $25,000. Or if your settlement would have been $10,000 under the old rule, now it would only be $2,500. That's the new game. A lot of you who would not have qualified for a settlement under the old rules will now qualify for an excellent settlement. So what are you waiting for? Call me. Get rid of your tax debt.